Can you imagine? $60,000 can buy a house and $62 can rent a house for a month. Gezhou, located in southeastern Yunnan province. People said it's the most livable city and it has the lowest housing price here. I found the cheapest house here. It only costs $6,300. Let's go to have a look. I'm very surprised because I'm actually in the city center because you see behind me there is a Walmart and that's the lowest apartment. It's just right across the street. I'm so tired. Like climbing a mountain. I feel like I'm in the mountain city Chongqing. These two buildings are so close. If I live here, I think I can even see what's happening in this building. It's right here. There's no elevator here. It's a great way to work out. The fourth floor. What's that? There are 3 families. Here's it. A small doll. Oh, there is no decoration at all. What's this? The kitchen? Yeah, the kitchen. This is the living room, a small living room. Oh, there is a bedroom, a bed, closet. What's this? TV or something? The window is here. And there's another room. The bedroom or living room? I don't know. I'm confused. There's a sofa, a fan, 2 chairs. I guess we can put a big TV here, a window. These 2 buildings are so close. I think I can see what's happening in that building. This house is about 50 square meters and the price is 46,000 yuan. That's about $6,300 US dollars. But there is no bathroom, so you have to go downstairs to the public bathroom, and it's about 300-400 kilometers away from here, so it's kind of inconvenient. That apartment is right there, and if you want to go to the public bathroom, go this way. Here. I thought $70 a month rent was the lowest, but I never expect to find a room for $14 a month in another corner of the city. Based on current living standards, this is undoubtedly a slum, with tangled electrical wires and garbage everywhere. But 30 years ago, this was the most prosperous part of this city, attracting hundreds of thousands of people from all over China.
老厂真的是农民只有4900多人，现在原来一个这个是几10万人，不见那个盖上去，人挤人的走路都要差一个，特别这个记得不这个电影一样，你在放电影，他们人潮人我们人要查人人潮人挤人的相当的多那个人。
I feel like time is passed here. It's really rare to see these red brick buildings and houses in the cities nowadays. These buildings reminds me of my childhood. I remember that in my elementary school, I lived in such buildings. The red brick houses. It's really hot in summer, but it's kind of warm in winter. It was too hot to sleep in summer, so I slept outside. There was a mat on the ground, and my mom shook a fan to help me keep the mosquitoes away from me. I think this town looks different as I thought. I thought there's no one lives here anymore. All people moved out, but actually it's quite lively here. It has everything like the clothes store, the mobile store, the medicine store, and even the lottery store. Gezhou City Old Factory Hospital, and they even have the foot massage store. In 1980s and 1990s in China, there were a lot of workers came here to dig the tin and the mining materials, and the salary was good. That was about 10,000 RMB per month, 1.4 US dollars per month.
一天可以干10万、几10万的，不几百万的，一天的收入。
一天的收入，你是说老板还是普通矿工？老板
就是万吧，上万的。
就一个月上万块钱。
一天啊。
I misunderstood. I thought at that time, one person could make 10,000 yuan, 1.4 US dollars per month. But that gentleman told me that you could make that money per one day. So I understood. That's why a lot of people came here to dig the tin and mining materials. It's like the golden mountain. Over the past 30 years, countless Chinese towns have experienced extreme prosperity relying on resources such as coal, minerals, and forests. But ultimately, they have inevitably declined. These dilapidated red brick houses are not only buildings, but also symbols of China's resource-based towns. They are very cheap and can quickly accommodate large numbers of industrial workers. 阿姨，这烤的是洋芋吗？好，谢谢。
哎呀，我请你们吃个啥？
哎，不要！
我请你们吃。
不用，
这个
我付钱。This is my first time seeing such way of eating potato. She put some pepper inside, but it's not so good, like the potato hamburger. I don't need to have dinner tonight because the potato is so big, and I paid 4 yuan. This one makes me full. 小朋友吃洋芋吗？太多了，你们吃吧。我不吃了。That little boy was so cute. I was trying to give him this potato because it's too much for me. I couldn't eat them all. So, but he said, "No, thank you. I don't eat the food the strangers give me." After finishing my potato, I continued exploring this town and met an old miner who had been working here for 30 years, and he warmly invited me to have a seat. 这是您自己家房子吗？
我是租的。
租的。这个租的多少钱一个月啊
？100多块。开门。
哎，阿姨好。阿姨好。
你好。好，行了，退个。
好嘞，谢谢。
好，行了。
啊，这个房子它有几个房间啊？
就是上面有一个房间，一个卧室，一个客厅，就是小套间。
您租的是这个，旁边是有别人住的是吧？
旁边是有人住。
哎，拍点视频。大哥大姐，你们觉得住在这儿感觉怎么样？
我不好。不连。
不好住。
不好住。
这房子现在不好住，这房子太会吵了。
太吵了。
现在不吵了，日常吃都在这就吵了，孩子吃2天不吵就上没了，就会脱脚吐的了。
哎，这房间有厕所吗？
没有。
没有厕所。
都是公共。
那你们洗澡在哪洗？
我们洗到这里。
在哪里啊？可以看一下吗？
可以看一下嘛，我们这洗澡的可以看一下。
我们都是水房。
水房。
那大盆子那个大盆子就可以洗澡了。
哦。So this is the bathroom. They take a shower here. So this is the kitchen. It used to be a balcony. 那挖矿会不会很危险啊？
肯定危险了嘛，下井。地下。
要地下多少米啊？
垂直的200-300米多的很。
200-300米。
垂直那个垂直是200-300米。
那你不害怕吗？
不害怕，从小就干到这回来的。我从15岁就来这矿上，我现在马上就60岁了。
那干了45年。因为之前我跟一个大哥聊，他说那个时候普通矿工一天能挣1万。
啊，他吹牛了。
吹牛，假的。假的。正常就是一天可能。
这还都200-300。
The development of history is never a smooth straight line. While countless young people choose to move to big cities, there are always some people who choose to stay in the past and protect a memory.
我们还要回去。
好的。
哎，好。
我说吃饭。
没事儿，
没有了，
谢谢。
谢谢。
拜拜，保重身体啊，拜拜。
谢谢。